As a passionate succulent enthusiast and dedicated artist, my journey has led me to explore the captivating world of blue agave, Agave tequilina or Agave azul. Recently, I decided to add a blue agave plant to my collection and incorporate it into my Frontyard Landscape. In this article, I'll share the process of transferring this striking succulent from a pot to the ground, how it fits into my Frontyard design, and the countless benefits of this unique addition. Hello fellow succulent lovers, welcome to Four-Lit Sky Arts and Architecture. If you're new to this channel and like this kind of video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and ask questions about succulents and arts. The decision to introduce a blue agave to my collection and Frontyard Landscape was influenced by several factors. Blue agave is renowned for its exceptional drought tolerance, making it an eco-friendly choice. With changing weather patterns and desire to conserve water, its presence aligns perfectly with my commitment to sustainability. The blue agave's stunning rosette shape, sharp spines, and striking blue-green hue add a touch of elegance and structure to any landscape. I was drawn to its aesthetic appeal, which complements both contemporary and desert-inspired garden designs. As a busy creator and artist, I appreciate low-maintenance plants. Blue agave requires minimal care once established, allowing me to enjoy its beauty without constant attention. The process of transplanting the blue agave from a pot to the ground was a meticulous but rewarding endeavor. I bought this agave about 2 months ago and it outgrown this pot, and it's time for me to transfer to the ground. I chose a sunny, well-drained spot in my front yard that receives ample sunlight, a prerequisite for healthy blue agave growth. I dug a hole slightly larger than the root wall of the blue agave to accommodate its growth. Proper spacing is crucial to avoid overcrowding. But since this is my very first agave on the ground, I will worry about the spacing later. I gently removed the blue agave from its pot and placed it in the hole, ensuring it was level with the surrounding soil. After planting, I applied a layer of lava gravel to retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. Then I watered the agave thoroughly to help it establish roots. The blue agave has seamlessly integrated into my front yard landscape. Placing it strategically, I've made the blue agave the centerpiece of my garden bed, drawing attention to its striking form. Right now, the side of my garden is empty. This blue agave is the very first succulent plant I planted. In the future, I will surround the agave with other drought-tolerant succulents to enhance the visual appeal, creating a harmonious desert-themed oasis, and will show you the result in the future content. In conclusion, adding a blue agave to my collection and front yard landscape so far is rewarding. Its resilience, aesthetic appeal, and contribution to sustainability make it a valuable addition that enhances the beauty and functionality of my outdoor space. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, leave the comment, and share.